Hi, this is Coco. I am not a native speaker of English, but I have undergone the same learning process, the same problems, and the same mistakes as you. If you're wondering how to learn English faster and more efficiently, I am the best person to ask. And I love to share with you how I have learned English. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it too. Yeah, that's a very good point. I was thinking the same. Oh my gosh, I don't remember how to translate that word. Um, Wait a second, let me check my dictionary. As you can see, I completely missed out on the conversation because my chance to jump in has come and gone, and I was still trying to translate. Trust me, translating in your head is a big problem. It slows you down, it makes you hesitate. When you speak, your speech might be slower than you like. This is because your mind is still translating from your first language, which can also sound unnatural. The good news is that thinking in English can bring you a huge step closer to fluency. It is not very difficult, to be honest, but it does take conscious effort and practice. And another good news, today I'm going to teach you how to think in English. First of all, I would say the first step to thinking in English is to surround yourself with English. What does that mean? For example, you can do this in your mind or actually on a piece of paper taped to the object or use sticky notes. Start with everyday object that you use every day. For example, if I have a book at home and I'm learning English, I will label it book. Every time I look at it, I'm reminded to think of that word. You can start with 10 minutes every day and then move up to 30 minutes or an hour or more, whatever you can manage. Listening, reading, and watching everything in English. Turn on the internet radio, download podcast, put Netflix or YouTube on in the background while you are doing your chores or work. Your brain is so amazing that it will begin to recognize patterns. By only seeing and hearing English, you start to move away from translation to thinking in English. Do daily activities in English. What is daily activities? For example, turn your phone to English, change your internet browser to English, and probably next time when you write down the shopping list or to-do list, or even a diary, try to write down in English. Make it a habit to think in English a little each day. Using the timer on your phone or computer for 1 minute to start and think only in English for that amount of time. It doesn't matter what you think about, or even if you just say a few of the same phrases over and over and over. See if you can extend the time each day by 30 seconds or more. Trust me, don't underestimate the 1 minute of focused study time. These are just simple steps to start with, and if you keep doing it, in the long term, it makes a huge difference. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please share with me your ideas and comments. See you next time. Bye.